Hello everyone, it's Connie here from Say It With Simplicity, and today I'm going to show you how to use the knife tool to make your own tag base in Silhouette Studio. Now I've been working on a cute little tag here, and I can use these elements in a physically cut tag, or I can make a page of print and cut tags that I can use to hang on Easter baskets for my grandkiddos. And I wanted to show you how I created the tag base using only the tools that I have in Silhouette Studio. So I'm going to move this tag out of the way, and I've created a rectangle that's 3 inches by 5 1/8 inches, and you can make this any size you want, but I've filled this in with a color so you can see it better on the screen, but I'm going to take up the transparency so that you can kind of see the grid lines underneath and observe this process a little bit closer. So the knife tool is in this toolbar on the left hand side, and I'm going to select my knife tool, and I'm going to select the solid option, the straight option, and I've unchecked this auto apply. And I can kind of see where the center of my rectangle is right in here. And so I'm going to slice off the corners with my knife tool about 2 squares in here and about 3 squares down. And all I need to do is hold down my mouse button and drag that knife tool there and line it up on my grid. And it hasn't sliced anything yet because I haven't hit that apply button. So now I'm going to grab the knife tool again, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, going through this point that's like 2 squares in and 3 squares down. And when I have those where I want them, I can select all of these, and I can hit the apply button, and it will apply both of those slices to my rectangle at the same time. And now if I move this out of the way, you can see that I have my tag file created, and I will select that, and I will bring this back to opaque, and I can actually color this then any way I want for my project. Now, if I want to make the little string hole, I could punch it with my paper punch, which wouldn't be a problem, but I can do that in Silhouette Studio too. So I'm going to grab my ellipse tool, and I'm going to hold down my shift key and make a circle that's about 1/4 of an inch, and line it up in the center of my tag. And if I want to be sure that I'm exactly in the center, I can select all of this and use my alignment panel. And it did shift it over a little bit. And now if I select all of this and I hit modify, subtract, that knocks out the circle in the top of my tag. And now I have a tag that I can use different elements on. I could, like I did on this one, use a scallop circle, make some rickrack, you know, do a little print and cut sentiment on it, and you're all set for decorating your tag for birthdays, holidays, and more. That's it for today. I thank you for joining me here. If this tutorial was helpful to you, I invite you to like it in or make some comments down below. I also invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any more Silhouette Studio tutorials. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you next time. Bye!